damn! I forgot to press record again. I was sneezing and sneezing. Oh. Yeah, I was sneezing. It was a little bit dark. That's the part you missed, so I took a little bit light. And I've got my heater on in the tent. Don't know if you can see it. It's called a table heater. And I was just about to enjoy just sitting in silence and listening to the cars on the well, it's not really a highway really, it's only our motorways are only too late. We can hear it in the distance going shh, shh. So relaxing. I won't post this tonight. It's now Sunday. Because I've already posted 2 tonight, I think, from a few days ago. And I've got other videos to post as well, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to look. But I am putting my post on Facebook under the Sneezing Sniffler, the page. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Google+. Instagram is still a problem. But, because they only allow 60-second videos. Which is an ass. Which is a pain in the ass. But anyway, the other thing I wanted to say was, oh yeah, how to get videos from your phone onto your computer, update them, and put them back on to YouTube, was it? I can't remember now. Oh well, I forgot. But I'll let you know next time. Oh, that was it. How to get videos back on Instagram. Update them to your computer. Edit them until they're 60 seconds. And then send them to a friend via email on their telephone. Or you can send them to WhatsApp using the desktop WhatsApp application to your friend and ask them to send them back to you on your phone. And then you have the video back on your phone, and then you can send it to Instagram. If you don't understand that, ask the questions in the comments, okay? Love you all. Yeah, my sneezing stopped. Tomorrow I'm free. It's Monday. And it's about 2 a.m. And my computer's out. And I'm going to go to bed. Love you all. Beep, beep, beep. That means